mainly, I think the reason everybody's here is because wonderful OSHA, they, at the end of last year, put out a new standard. So my name's Mike Draper. I know most of you in the room, some I don't. Long background in the window cleaning industry, pressure washing. We do a little soft washing now at this point. Serve as the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for J.Racenstein and on the American Window Cleaning magazine. So been around the business a little bit. These are the things we're going to go over today. How to identify and minimize fall hazards using a fall protection. We're not going to use rope descent in what we're going to do, but a fall protection system. Maintain, inspect, and store equipment or systems used for fall protection. The anchoring or tie-off procedures that we may utilize if we make that decision, and then what the manufacturers dictate to us. It's a pretty cool app. It shows you, like I said, proper setup, and then also an inspection. It just goes through a little checkpoint. So if you're doing before and after every use, if the guy's trained to do that, it's all right there on his phone. The ExoFit harness, you got a lot of padding here in the back. It's got a back D-ring and it's got a front attachment as well. Okay, and I'll show you why those are important later. What do you think about the harness? Is it fit correctly? Is it adjusted correctly?
Too loose.
What's wrong?
Way too loose.